The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the latest and greatest smartphone from Apple, released in late 2022. It boasts several cutting-edge features and improvements over its predecessor, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, is it worth the investment in 2023? Let's take a closer look at the features. Design overview. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of creating visually stunning and highly functional smartphones. This device showcases a fusion of elegance, durability, and ergonomics, with a design that captivates the user both visually and tactily. With the implementation of a ceramic shield front cover and a matte glass back, this phone is as durable as it is elegant. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is available in 4 stunning colors to cater to different preferences and tastes, making it a perfect device for a diverse range of users. Ceramic shield front cover. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a ceramic shield front cover, which is a significant step up from the traditional glass covers found in previous models. The ceramic shield is an innovative material that is made by infusing nano-ceramic crystals into the glass, resulting in a highly resilient and durable surface. This cover provides enhanced protection against scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. Furthermore, the ceramic shield front cover is optically clear and highly responsive, ensuring that the user's interaction with the screen remains seamless and enjoyable. Matte glass back. The back of the iPhone 14 Pro Max is made from a new matte glass material, which provides an exceptional in-hand feel. This premium material is meticulously crafted to create a smooth and refined texture that not only feels great to the touch, but also provides a secure grip. The matte finish is highly resistant to fingerprints and smudges, ensuring that the phone maintains its pristine appearance even after extended use. Color options. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is available in 4 sophisticated colors, allowing users to choose the perfect shade that complements their personal style. The gold option exudes an air of luxury and refinement, while the silver variant offers a sleek and futuristic appeal. Graphite, on the other hand, provides a stealthy and understated aesthetic, and the Pacific blue color option adds a touch of vibrancy and flair to the device. Display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a magnificent 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, which provides an unparalleled visual experience. With a sharp resolution of 2778 x 1284 pixels, the screen renders images and videos with incredible detail and color accuracy, making it perfect for photographers, videographers, and content creators alike. The Super Retina XDR display technology employed in the iPhone 14 Pro Max employs OLED panels, which deliver outstanding contrast ratios and true blacks. This ensures that the images and videos on the screen have a remarkable depth and vibrancy, with colors that are both vivid and true to life. One of the key features of the iPhone 14 Pro Max display is its HDR high dynamic range support. This technology enables the device to display a wider range of colors and contrast, significantly enhancing the viewing experience for movies, TV shows, and games. With HDR, the iPhone 14 Pro Max can display content with deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and more nuanced color gradients. This results in a more immersive and lifelike visual experience that is sure to captivate users. Performance. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts an unparalleled performance, thanks to Apple's cutting-edge A16 Bionic chip. This state-of-the-art processor is designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds and unrivaled energy efficiency, ensuring that the device can seamlessly manage a wide range of demanding tasks. The A16 Bionic chip is based on a smaller 3nm process technology, which allows it to house an increased number of transistors. This results in improved performance and power efficiency, enabling the iPhone 14 Pro Max to run multiple applications simultaneously, support advanced gaming experiences, and effortlessly handle tasks related to augmented reality, image processing, and machine learning. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a powerful and versatile triple-camera setup on its rear, offering users the ability to capture professional quality photos and videos. Each of the three lenses has a 12-megapixel sensor, and they are designed to serve different purposes in photography and videography. 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. This lens features a large field of view, which enables users to capture expansive landscapes, large group photos, and intricate architecture. The ultra-wide lens also allows for unique perspectives and creative compositions that would be impossible with a standard lens. 12 megapixels wide lens. The primary wide lens serves as the go-to option for most everyday photography situations. It provides crisp and detailed images with accurate colors and a natural field of view. The wide lens also benefits from improvements in low-light performance, ensuring that images captured in dim environments maintain clarity and vibrancy. 12 megapixels telephoto lens. The telephoto lens is designed for capturing distant subjects with precision and clarity. It provides an optical zoom capability, allowing users to get closer to their subjects without compromising image quality. This lens is particularly useful for wildlife, sports, and event photography. The iPhone 14 Pro Max also features a 12 megapixels true-depth front-facing camera, perfect for high-quality selfies, video calls, and facial recognition. It supports advanced portrait mode features such as bokeh and depth control, allowing users to fine-tune the focus and blur effects for professional-looking results. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is a remarkable device in terms of battery life, as it is designed to cater to the needs of power users. Equipped with a large, high-capacity battery, the smartphone ensures all-day battery life, even under heavy usage. This means that whether you're browsing the internet, streaming videos, playing games, or using various applications, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the power to last throughout your day without requiring a midday charge. One of the primary reasons for the impressive battery life of the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the integration of advanced battery technology and power-efficient components. The device is powered by Apple's latest A16 Bionic chip, which boasts superior energy efficiency, enabling the phone to deliver optimal performance while consuming less power. Moreover, the iOS operating system is optimized to manage power consumption intelligently, further extending the battery life. Fast charging is another notable feature of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, ensuring that you can quickly replenish your battery when needed. With the appropriate fast charger, users can experience a significant boost in battery life within a short period. For example, charging the device for just 30 minutes can provide up to a 50% increase in battery life. This feature is particularly helpful for those with busy schedules, as it allows them to quickly charge their device during short breaks or commutes. It's a top-of-the-line smartphone that offers a premium design, stunning display, fast performance, excellent cameras, and all-day battery life. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our video, and share this video if you like this.